and welcome. This is a Teach Me Forex Intraday Trading Weekly Report. This is March 14, 2009 edition. It was a great week, it was. So the results for the Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room, 651 potential pips this week that were called by Wally, the team captains, and the gang. So what does this mean as far as money is concerned? What does 650 pips mean to you or could mean to your account? Well, let's explain this introducing our three hypothetical traders, Peter Pipper, Susie Lovelots, and Bubba Big Shots. They all been through the Teach Me Forex graduate program, and they also attend on a daily basis the Intraday Team Trade Room with Wally and the gang. What's the difference between them? Well, level of experience. They haven't all been trading for the same amount of time. They each opened 3 accounts to trade with Wally and the gang early this year. To start the year, Peter Pipper funded his 3 accounts with $500 in each. Susie Lovelots, $2,000 in each. And we've got Bubba Big Shot. He put $10,000 in each, he's a big shot. So, for this week ending March 14th, there was a total of 52 trades called throughout the Intraday Team Trade Room. 45 of them were winning trades. 7 of them were losers. That's it. That's all. The total potential pips, 651. That's what it was. And now let's take a look at the details of these trades. So we started Monday. We took about, 8 trades, 71 pips. So it's a nice start. On Tuesday, there was over 10 trades, 146 pips, even though we got a couple of losses in there. On Wednesday, a perfect day, 177 pips, accumulating, 10, 9, 20 pips at a time. And that's how we tally this number. And then we got 113 pips for Thursday on 9 trades. There was 1 loss in there, and on Friday we started the day, well, it was rough. There was a couple of losses, and then we came back in full force towards the end there, and a total of 144 pips, 651 for the week. Good job, Wally and the gang. Excellent. So now you're wondering, what's a pip? How much is it worth? What does it mean to us? Well, it depends how many lots you're trading, and the bigger your account, the more lots you can allow yourself to trade. But so if there's a 1 pip movement, if you're trading 5 lot, it means $5 per pips, plus or minus, depending the direction of the movement. So that's pretty cool. 2 lots, 2 pips, $2 per pips. 8 lots, $8 per pips. Goes like that. Now you're asking yourself, did our traders take all of these trades? All of them? Not, absolutely not. They only took the ones that they needed to take in order to reach their own respective goals in their accounts. So the goal for various accounts, we typically like account number 1 to have 10 pips and account number 2 to have 10 pips. Then we close these accounts. And account number 3 is our reward account. So we use 15 pips here, but some of our students use much more than that. But just for the sake here, let's see what we've done with 15 pips since the year began. So there we go. Let's take a look at Peter Pipper. Started his first account at 717, ends at 752. So not too bad for a guy that started trading with $500 in that account in just in just over 2.5 months. That's already at the 50%. Did same for account number 2 and account number 3. Oh, it's getting close to double here. $830 we're at in there. So total profit of $122.50. Average return on investment. So all that total increased by 5.5% this week. Good job, Peter. Susie Lovelots. You basically take 1 trade in account number 1, 1 trade in account number 2, 1 trade in account number 3 every single day. So basically, and if you end up with a loss, well, you'll end up maybe taking a couple of extra trades to make that up and get to your goals. But Susie's at over 3,000 in the first two accounts, and account number 3 is at 33, just under 3,400. She made over $500 this week. 5.5% is the return on investment. Well, that's equal. And Mr. Bubba also up 5.5%, but because he's got a lot of money, he made over $2,500 this week. Account number 1 is over 50% up, $15,400. Account number 2 is just over 15,000, and account number 3 is now at $17,000. So, Baba's making good progress there. And again, this was you had 52 trade setups to pick from that were called, playing out in the room. 45 of those were winners, and only 7 of those were losers. That's for potential pips that you could have taken, 651. But we are telling you, we did all of that with 175 pips. That's what Bubba, that's what Susie, that's what Peter took. They only took 175 out of those 650, and they're able to achieve these results. So imagine if they worked extra hard, if they, added a 4th reward account to this. You can only imagine. I know you can. But you're not expected to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pips. Absolutely not. All we're trying to do here is to provide enough trading opportunities where you can come in and make 10 net pips in 2 separate accounts. And absolutely we do that. You can do a lot more than that, but we encourage you to keep it simple, make it easy, and just see the long-term picture. That's all part of the program, folks. And we believe in we don't believe in giving a man a fish so he can eat for a day. We believe in teaching him how to fish, how to get the fish so he can eat for a lifetime. And let us be your Forex fishing guys and help us fulfill our vision. And if you're wondering who we are, what we do, and how we do it, well, it's simple. Type in www.teachmeforex.com, visit us, and join us in our next team trade room next week, and help us fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of online successful currency trader in the world. We do this one trader at a time. Will you be the next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful weekend.